In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Zendesk. Whether you're new to this powerful customer service platform or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through the simple process step by step. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zendesk homepage by typing in the URL https://www.zendesk.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, take a moment to appreciate the clean and user-friendly interface that Zendesk offers. This is your gateway to a suite of tools and resources designed to help you manage customer interactions effectively. Now, cast your eyes to the top right corner of the homepage. Here, you'll see a button labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click on that. This step is crucial as it begins your journey into the Zendesk ecosystem. Clicking Sign In will direct you to a page where you have a few different options to proceed. Since there are various products and services offered by Zendesk, it's important to select the correct one for your needs. In this case, we'll choose Zendesk Support. This selection is particularly relevant if your focus is on managing customer queries, tickets, and support requests. Selecting Zendesk Support will prompt you to enter either your subdomain or your credentials. Now, if you're scratching your head wondering what a subdomain is, don't worry. Your subdomain is simply a unique part of the URL that identifies your organization within Zendesk. It's something you'd have set up during your initial registration with Zendesk and will look something like yourcompanyzendesk.com. If you're not sure about your subdomain, you could enter your email or username and password associated with Zendesk. Be sure that your login credentials are correct to avoid any hitches getting into your account. Once everything is entered correctly, go ahead and sign in. This will take you right to your Zendesk support dashboard where you can start managing your customer service requests efficiently. And that's basically it. Pretty straightforward, right? You're now equipped with the knowledge to access Zendesk seamlessly. Before we wrap up, it's good practice to bookmark the Zendesk login page once you're signed in. This will save you time on future visits, allowing you quicker access to your dashboard. Remember, a smooth entry into your Zendesk account every time means you can help your customers faster and more effectively. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, happy